Well, hello everybody and welcome back. Today I have an amazing new DIY that you can recreate for yourself. It's simple, affordable, and easy to remake. So if you're interested in seeing what I've created today, just keep on watching. I'll be starting off with this beautiful plaid tray that I picked up from Dollar Tree, as well as this blue black ribbon that's also from Dollar Tree. These ice cube blocks are from Amazon. Right here, I'm just using some clear translucent glue. I'll be using these two types of glitter. Right here, I'm just using a skewer to kind of blend out the glitter. I'll be using these iridescent gems. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys!